Cummins and Valvoline have had a terrific partnership for 30 years. A comprehensive partnership of two great companies and two world-class brands.
Like all good collaborations, it has resulted in making both companies better.
It is a wide-ranging partnership that starts with people and technology. We work closely to deliver the best engine, lubrication, and fluid technology that helps our customers be more successful and more profitable.
The teams at Valvoline and Cummins work together in the field and in our labs to develop products that complement each other. Cummins builds a cutting-edge product. Then Valvoline formulates innovative lubricants and fluids.
Customers benefit from that teamwork, and they have the peace of mind knowing that they have two premium products that were designed to bring out the best in one another.
And not only do our products and services perfectly complement each other, our teams share a lot of the same values. Integrity and doing what's right, striving for excellence, and using hands-on expertise and teamwork to deliver the best work possible. We also partner together to support the communities where we work.
Going back in our history, one of the first results of our partnership was the introduction of Valvoline Premium Blue motor oils, which after more than 3 decades is still the only one that Cummins endorses. Since its creation, we've innovated Premium Blue for numerous uses that solve customers' problems. Customers can reduce their total cost of ownership through these premium formulations by reducing downtime, and fleet managers could also see reduced costs due to product consolidation, increased working capital, and reduced risk of incorrect oil-to-engine usage.
Most recently, industry-first, fuel-agnostic technology, Valvoline Premium Blue One Solution Gen 2 was named as top innovative product by industry trade publication Heavy Duty Trucking.
Premium Blue One Solution Gen 2 was selected for its innovation, overall capabilities, and potential to impact the bottom lines of fleets across the globe. It is approved for use in multiple heavy-duty, medium-duty, and light-duty engine types, providing extended drain intervals for both diesel and natural gas engine platforms.
We have also extended our partnership to form joint ventures to sell and market our products together in emerging markets, delivering fantastic results while supporting customers. The Cummins-Valvoline partnership is one that we should all be proud of and talk about. We'll keep innovating diesel, natural gas, hydrogen, other alternative fuels, fuel cells, and future technologies.
Whenever Cummins creates a product, Valvoline will make sure that there are lubricants, fluids, and sustainable solutions that complement it.
We need your help in thinking about more ways in which we can work together. And we're extremely thankful for the excellent work from our team members that have allowed this partnership to flourish.
Cummins and Valvoline have been working together for 30 years, but I think our partnership is just gaining momentum. What can you do to help propel us into the next 30 years and well beyond?